So guys, we're here at the Saturday Farmers Market here at Marco Polo Plaza. And ipalit ko rin Maming's. Maming's Kitchenettes. Chinese lumpia. Tag 85 pesos spicy niya akong ikuha. Wala. 85 pesos. So tanaw na to kung lami ba. I'm sure lami na pero one of the interesting finds here. But you can also have barbecue. You even have paella here, panada. One of the favorite na pizza therapy na to. Set up pa siya. Yeah. Siya yung mga what is it? Pang produkto.
Hello, wala. Panasasap.
Gilang, yan na. Balik pa kung ba't kung po dito sa taas ka dito. Yeah. Oh, nagaya po hospital. Na. And barbecue. And of course, we're gonna buy affordable vegetables. And we have a lot of baked goodies as well. Paulo's Cakes and Pastries, puto, and sweets by Leonila. There are ones. Matchang dali. There's matchang. If you like matchang, we have cookies as well. We have budbud. Budbud kabog, balanghoy, pilit. And of course, bakery, Salzburg. There's coffee. There's even more dito sa Luyon. And La Fusaneta na tinapanan. Then we have daghan pang produkto dito. Napay mga more coffee there. Mga potluck is there as well. Puto and sweets. We have big goodies. We have tacos over there by Taco Don. Pero kita, we have an event later here at Marco Polo. So chill sa tawid our Maming's Kitchenette Chinese lumpia. Ang taon-taon, mangita tag mainom. But yeah. May mga presyo there's utang ba. So if you're living in the area, like IT Park ka, pwede na ka di mangarbon din na lang ka every Saturday. From fruits to veggies, mga saging, mga pinya. And you can even buy more stuff over there, mga food pa, mga kakanin, even strawberries. Mga dito, mga pamligyag tanom. Diba? Ariya mo, Saturday Farmers Market at Marco Polo Plaza grounds. Manap Saturdays lang. Diba? So unya, mag food trip pa ta. For see you and support our local entrepreneurs and support, our fruit vendors. Bye.